Our program is focused on green engineering. So what we have here today is actually student projects that have been developed specifically for the Engineering Scholars Program that are focused on energy management. And basically it's a future transportation scenario where we have the students modeling a mass transit system of the future. Basically it's a suspended monorail vehicle, kind of in the same vein as what you might see with like a high-speed rail system. It's something that maybe someday could be incorporated on campus.
The project was to build an alternative energy vehicle for CAPS 2020, so this is ideally what the CAPS system could be in the year 2020.
So we had some constraints. There's a track set up in Hitchcock, and we had to make 3 stops on the track. We're trying to use the least amount of energy possible, and we had to stop for a certain amount of times at the stops. We were given an Arduino controller that we can program to turn on motors for certain amounts of time. We were given 2 motors, 6 propellers, 2 wheels, and we had to build an AEV out of it and try and make it as good as we could.
This project involves a lot of green engineering because it's trying to find an alternative energy resource for a later addition to the CAPS bus system. So it reduces a lot of the fossil fuels, and just the use of propellers and wind power reduces that use of fossil fuels.
So what's really cool is like all of our skills, we all can help and do different parts of the project to help become like a big, giant, awesome design.
You can kind of see the process the group went through: initial drawings, inventor drawings, testing, and just our procedures. The group found out that organization was key to this. It really made everything much smoother. But there were some factors that the group couldn't control, such as inefficiencies or inconsistencies in the track, and other things that the group had to be innovative with to get over those humps. I really feel that the group will take organization, documentation, just from this, and definitely apply it later as our careers in OSU and beyond.
We just have a lot of opportunities for students to get involved and get hands-on experience, and really kind of figure out how they're going to take their engineering backgrounds and apply those in ways that are going to be socially responsible and make a big difference in dealing with some of the issues that we're going to be facing as a society when it comes to things like environment, pollution, energy, transportation, all those big problems of the future. We're creating the engineers that are going to solve those problems.